Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. But before we will start, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more updates and information about microbiology.
I just need to clear my head.
Disease-causing microorganisms. What are disease-causing microorganisms? How many times have we been told to wash our hands before sitting down at the supper table or after touching money and dirty surfaces? By washing up, we think that we're clean and microorganisms free. We have baths, cook our food, treat our sewage, and even cover our mouth when we cough and sneeze to prevent the spread of those tiny dirty particles that could make us sick. What many people don't realize is that even after doing all these things, we are still far from being clean. The number of microorganisms living on and in us is about 10 times higher than the number of cells that make up our entire body. Before you try and scrub away those tiny organisms all over your skin, consider that most of these microorganisms are essential to our health. Disease-causing microorganisms, however, are another matter entirely. They use simple tricks to enter our bodies so they can cause disease. These germs have been studying ways to trick the human immune system for a long time because getting past the body's differences is key for their survival. We may even learn a thing or two about the immune system by studying them. Who knew we could learn from something so small? What is a microbe? A microbe is another word for a microorganism. It is a tiny individual living thing that is way too small to be seen by the human eye alone. The only way this tiny organism can be seen is by using a microscope. This is why microbes are often called microscopic organisms. These organisms are found almost everywhere you can think of here on Earth, in air, water, soil, and rock, and even in plants, animals, and the human body. Some microbes can live in very hot temperatures, and others can live in the freezing cold. Some need oxygen to grow and stay alive, like you or I, while others survive without it. Below is a list of some good microbes that are found in our bodies. Microbes in the healthy human body. While some microbes play an important part in our daily lives by keeping us healthy, others are nothing but bad news. These bad news microbes are called disease-causing microbes and can make humans, animals, and plants sick by using infection and disease. Most microbes belong to four major groups: the bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and fungi. Disease-causing microbes can also be called pathogens, germs or bugs, and are responsible for causing infectious diseases. They can also contribute to chronic diseases and conditions, and are now being linked with coronary artery disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer, multiple sclerosis, and chronic lung disease. Microbes, the one that make us sick. Infectious diseases caused by disease-causing microbes are responsible for more deaths worldwide than any other single cause. Scientists are working hard to find ways that will control these germs, but trying to defeat them is not an easy task. Disease-causing microbes are very good at adjusting to new environments, making it hard to find a way to get rid of them. Microbes can quickly develop new features that make them resistant to the drugs that were once able to kill them. This means scientists must try to stay one step ahead, even though it is hard to do. New diseases caused by recently discovered pathogens and are also being identified at an increasing rate. In the past 30 years, about 30 new pathogens have been identified. How microbes infect us. How do we actually get infected with a disease-causing microorganisms? Here's the scoop. Every day we come into contact with people or animals that may be infected with disease-causing microbes. This puts us at risk of being exposed to disease. Becoming infected depends on the link between the pathogen and environment and the host being you or I. The infection method may be thought of as 6 different steps that all join together to form a circular chain. First, the process begins with a certain disease-causing microbes being present. It is the first link in the chain. Second, the second link is the reservoir, the environment where the pathogen can survive. Examples of a reservoir include water, soil, and inside someone who is already infected with the germ. Third, having a way to escape from the reservoir makes up the third link. If we are the reservoir, the pathogenic microorganism can escape when we cough or sneeze. The fourth link of the chain is the mode of transmission from the reservoir to the host. If water is the reservoir, its mode of transmission could be our drinking water supply. Fifth, to cause infection, the pathogen must find a way inside the host. Finding a means of entry is the fifth link. A pathogen in water would enter us as we drank the water it was in. A pathogen in the air would enter us if we inhaled it. The final link of the chain is how susceptible the host is to infection.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. Bye guys! See you on my next vlog.